Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the English grammar lesson. So my dear students of grade 2, today we are going to learn more about nouns. You will have to take out the grammar tree book and turn on to page number 2. Grammar tree book, page number 2. Okay, so let's start our explanation today for nouns. Starting with the topic nouns, can you remember we have already learned nouns in grade 1. In grammar, a naming word is known as noun. Now you all know the definition of nouns. A name given to people, places, animals or thing is called a noun. Now any name given to people, any place, any animal or any kind of thing, it is called a noun or a naming word. So far we have been using the word naming word instead of noun, but now onwards we are going to use the word noun. So basically, naming word is called a noun. I hope you understand. You can see it in your book that it is clearly mentioned that a naming word is known as a noun. Now let's see what nouns are, or what are the examples of noun. On this slide, we are going to learn about people. Noun as people. There is one example given. It's the teacher. As you can see in the picture, there is a teacher in the picture, and the word teacher is a noun. Can you all think of other nouns which are used for people? Yes, it could be mother, girl, boy, father, uncle, grandmother, or maybe a baker, a butcher, a milkman, a postman, or a driver. All these are people, but they have a name given to them. Now let's move on to the next example. Example number 2, noun as place. As you can see in the picture, it is a park, and it is a name given to a place. In the same case, noun as place, I can give you more examples, but you will have to repeat after me. You can repeat after me for better practice. Park, school, zoo, beach, hospital, cinema, market, etc. Now these are some names given to some places. Any name given to a place is a noun. The name which we use to identify that place is a noun. We don't call a hospital by the name park. Am I right? There is a name given to that place, hospital, because patients go there and you can find doctors and nurses to treat the sick. So the hospital will always be a hospital. It won't be called with the name park, zoo or cinema. So there is a particular name given to a place to identify it, and that name is called a noun, which identifies the place. Moving on to the third kind of noun, it is animal. As you can see, there is a cow in the picture. All animals have a noun. To recognize what kind of animal it is, we have given it a name. A cow is always called a cow. A cat will be always called a cat. A dog, a bird, a parrot, they are called with the name, the noun given to them. We don't call a parrot by the name dog. We don't call a dog by the name parrot, because to recognize the kind of animal, it has been given a common name. So every cow is called a cow. All the birds are called birds. In the same way, parrots are called parrot and cats are called cats. I hope you understand that a noun can be any animal as well. Now here on the screen, you can see an umbrella, and it is a thing. It is also a noun. Now, nouns can be any kind of thing. For example, a thing could be anything. It could be a bed, a pillow, a table, a tube light, wall, house, floor, tablecloth, book, computer, etc. So each and everything has a name to identify, and these are called nouns. The name given to things are also called as nouns. More nouns. Now we can see there are more nouns given on the screen. These are a few examples of nouns. You can also find more nouns around you. You may read this for more practice of reading and to help you find more nouns around you. I will read it for you and you can repeat after me. Cat, computer, house, zoo, sky, water, boy, snake, school. Now the word cat. What kind of noun is it? It is an animal. It is an animal, okay? Computer. Yes, computer is a thing. House. House is a thing. Zoo. Now, zoo is a place where you can find many kinds of animals. So it comes under the category of places. Sky. Sky is a thing. Water. Water is also a thing. Boy. The boy is a person. Snake. Again, the snake is an animal. School. School is a place where we go to learn, read, write, and what else do you do at school? You read, write, also play. So school is also a name of a place. So these are different kinds of nouns scattered together. I hope you have understood the chapter, you have understood the lecture, and I have given you homework to read page number 2 in the grammar tree book. It is just for your practice, but you will find a few sentences in which there are nouns given, so you can pick out the nouns or you can identify the nouns from in those sentences. I like to remind you that a name given to a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. Naming words are called nouns. So I hope you enjoyed today. Till we meet again, Allah Hafiz and thank you.